Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. It's Wednesday, it's Wish Wednesday. Alright, so you wished for songs, I'll bring up here on Wednesday like we do every week. And don't forget, next week we have a full week of Wish songs, not only Wednesday. Every day we're gonna release songs there, so make sure you wish your song. We have a couple of days more left before I collect everything and look it up, and I'm gonna throw them up next week. So anyway, this is Wednesday right now, so let's stick to this Wish Wednesday. We have Lost Frequencies and Alexander Stewart with their song called Gone. And it's you, Sepper, you wish for this one, even deluxe mix, I believe couple of, somebody else perhaps, I'm not sure, everybody. If I forgot to mention everybody who wished for this song, then I apologize. I just have a couple of names here. So anyway, this is for you who wish this one and for all you Lost Frequencies and Alexander Stewart fans. Anyway, Gone, that's the title of the song. And we're gonna do this together without any capo here needed. We have a couple of chords to go over, so let's do that like we usually go through the chords. And we're gonna start with the G. That is third on E. Second on A, open D, open G, open B. This time we have the open B and then third E. That's the G chord. Okay, next chord is A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is F. And that is a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret. You cover all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Okay, so the chords are the building blocks of the song, of course. But then we have a lot of melodies going on, actually one melody, but different styles of handling these chords. All right, so this is house music. We have drops here, so that will be pretty much what's going on, the main thing here. So we're gonna look at that first, the melody. So from there we're gonna build the string pattern and what we need to handle it. So we're gonna go through the chords starting with G. And what you can do here is to play like this. And that is the starting point, and that's the G parts to begin with. So you're gonna hit the third fret E string in the bass together with open G, then open B, and first E, the high E. Then comes A minor as the next chord, and it goes like this. So that will be to play open A string together with open high E, then second G, then open E, then second G, then open E, then second G again. Then you come out to this position, 5th fret on E string, the high E, then open A, first E, and open E. And that is the A minor parts. So far we learned the first two chords, and that is pretty much the first half of the song. And then we continue with the E minor part, and it goes like this. Okay, and so that is open E string in the bass, then open B, and then first high E. That's the E minor part. Then we have the F. It goes like this. So that is to play the first fret on the E string in the bass together with open high E. Then second G. And then we have the final part left there, and that is the G. That is to play third fret on E string in the bass together with open B, then open G, then back to open B, then then third fret E string in the bass, then first B, and open B. And that's it. All right, so that is the main theme melody in the song drop. So I'm gonna take you through this slowly so you understand what's going on. Let's go. And the standard. Cool. So that is the main drop, the main melody of the song. Then we have a build up, and that build up is done with the strumming. So we're gonna use chords G, A minor, E minor, and F. That will be the chord progression now. So you're gonna play G, down clap, and we're gonna use just down claps here for the build up. If you know what I mean here, that is the part that starts about 1 minute and 21 seconds into the song. It happens more than just this time, but that is the example of it. So 1 minute and 21 seconds into the song, that's what I mean with the build up. So down clap, that's what we're gonna work with. Down clap, okay? Starting with G, 1, and then you shift to A minor, 2, 3, and then you go to E minor, do 1, and then F 3 times. And that's one round. So G1, A minor 3, E minor 1, and F3. You're gonna do that for 4 rounds, chord progression rounds. So it goes like this. So you kind of falling forward, that is the rhythm. So down, clap 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 like this. And then after that comes the drop, and we already learned the melody for it. Now we're gonna look at the strumming. All right, so the strumming is pretty much, it's very similar to the build up. Now we're gonna work with down up, because it works a little bit and adds on intention here in action. So we're gonna use a down up action instead of just down. So down up clap, down up clap, down up clap, down up clap, down up clap. The same rhythm, you're kind of falling forward again. So you're gonna play down up clap now, G1, then A minor 3, then you have E minor 1, and then F1, and then G1, and then just a down clap in the end after G1 there. I'm gonna show you how. First I'm gonna play for it and then explain again, like this. That's one round. So G1, A minor 1, sorry 3, 2, 3, then E minor 1, F1, G1, and down clap. And that ends it. So like this without speaking. Again. Okay, so there you have the drop in strumming. I gave it to you in the melody first, and then now this is the strumming part. And this comes back very, very often in the song. It starts like that in the verses, and also ends after the build up and the drop there. So that is basically the main part of the song. In the middle comes the build up in between there, and otherwise that's how it's done. Now when you have the notes for this one and you have the rhythm, you can also go and pick all these chords. So you can pick them, and in that way you can use and add the beat and the clap to it. So what I mean by that is you don't have to choose the melody, simple melody. You don't have to choose just the strumming. You can now build in the melody into the strumming with the beat, and its easiest way to do that is to do that with a picking pattern. So that means you will not always be able to get all the notes perhaps, but you have to compromise there, get as many notes as you can and get the beat in there. So it could sound something like this. Okay, so there's no kind of formula how you do that. You have to go by feel. You know the melody now, you know how the beat goes, you know the chords, so you have to build it in your own way. Pick notes here and there, and you will gradually be better on it, and you will hear it more clearly how the melody goes into the strumming here. So that is how it works, guys. Lost Frequencies, Alexander Stewart's Gone. And this was special for you, deluxe mix, Zephyr, and maybe a couple other more that wished for this song. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free, everybody, to give me a like on this one. And yeah, again, I want to mention Wish Week next week. Wish songs every day. Take the chance. Perhaps it's your song. Till next time, play tuned.